Hello students, welcome to class, and I want to teach you to know when you make the hard G sound and the soft G sound. All right, so you know that the letter G has two sounds, a hard and a soft sound. If the letter after the G is I, E, or Y, the G makes the J sound, which is the soft sound. If it's any other letter, the G makes the G sound, the hard sound. Okay, the hard sound of G occurs most often. So most of the time you will hear the hard sound. But if there is an I, E, or Y after the G, it makes the J sound. All right? Let's look at some of the words. Practice saying this after me. Say it after me. The hard G words. Goat. Game. Gobble. Goal. Gap, glue, glass, good, go, gas, gum, gutter, dragon, foggy. Those are the hard G words, some of them. The soft G words, say these after me. Gist, gentle, gem, giant, genius, germ, gem, general, engine, nudge, wage, angel, huge, sledge, danger, age, bridge, orange, cage. So these are the soft sounds and the hard sounds. Remember, most of the time G will make the hard sound, G. But if there is an I, E, or Y after the G, it will make the soft sound. I recommend that you watch this video again, remember the rule, and practice saying these vocabulary words after me. All right, don't forget, you can study with me on the eSchool Cambodia app. You can study with me on my Facebook, American English Club. You can study with me on TikTok at Charles McCall. And you can study with me on YouTube. Charles McCall, Teacher Charles, American English. Subscribe to the YouTube, like the video, and share. Share everything with other people so that we can help more people speak very clear American English.